Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to view all the shared videos in a WhatsApp group on your PC using WhatsApp Web. With the latest update, finding videos shared within your groups has become much easier. Whether you want to revisit a funny clip or check out an important video, I'll guide you through the steps to access them quickly. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to whatsapp.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and groups without any issues. Once you're on the main page, take a moment to locate the group you want to explore. Now find the group you want to open from your chat list. Click on the group name to enter the conversation. This will allow you to see all the messages exchanged in the group, as well as any media shared. Next, look at the top of the chat window. You'll see the name of the group displayed prominently. Click on the group name, and this will open up more options related to the group. Here, you'll find various settings and features, including access to shared media. After clicking on the group name, look for the option labeled Media, Links, and Docs. Click on this option to proceed. This section is where you can find all the media shared within the group, including images, links, and of course, videos. Once you're in the media section, scroll through the list to find the videos you're looking for. This section neatly organizes all the videos that have been shared, making it easy for you to revisit them whenever you want. Simply click on any video to play it directly in your browser. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily view all shared videos in your WhatsApp group on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks on using WhatsApp effectively. Thank you for watching and enjoy exploring your shared videos.